Friday, June 16th, 2023. Sometime, might have been a week or so ago, there were, I don't know, construction, groundskeeper workers, what have you, here on the I-90 bike ped path, which is a Seattle City Park. And they dug all these holes. There's like a whole mess of them. I thought they were going to be planting trees. But if these are trees that are like out of Star Trek or something. I have no idea what they are. I can see, I don't know, like half a dozen more down that way. Several on this side and a whole bunch on the other side of the path here, bike ped path. Much more on the other side of the bike ped path. On the north side, this is the south side. I'd be curious to find out what the heck these things are. I was thinking maybe they were going to put in electric lights, but then how would they do that without having underground cables or stringing wires across here? And maybe who knows what they are. Something good for outer space. Maybe aliens are going to be landing here. Save humanity from the foibles of humanity. All right, there you have it. On an increasingly cloudy afternoon here. At least it's not blitheringly hot like Arizona or Texas.